Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm super excited. I'm finally getting new wheels. I've been talking about it for a long time. I've been posting about it on my Instagram all the time saying, oh, I want to switch up my wheels. And now I'm finally doing it. Now, I will say, well, you guys are going to see. You guys may have seen my post on Instagram of these wheels that are on my car right now. These are the same exact wheels that I have already had, except instead of black with a machine spoke, these are white. So these are the Cosmis Flow Formed 206Rs. It's a really nice wheel. I just like the design of it, and that's why I decided to get it again. Now, I decided not to get the white. A lot of people liked the white when I posted this up, and everyone saw the white wheels on the car on Instagram. Everyone was like, whoa, keep the white, keep the white. And I think the white looks really good on this thing, except these have been on the car for like a day. Literally a day. I mean, I know any wheel's gonna get dirty like that, but you see this mark right here? I don't know, that's like a stain. I can't get that out. I've literally used buffing compound, I've used everything, and I can't get it out. And I just don't want these problems. I don't want white wheel problems. It does look really good though. I really like the way that it looks on the car, but I'm going a different route. Let's go grab my new wheels. So you might be wondering why bother getting new wheels if you're gonna get the same exact wheels as before. Well, they're a different color, and mine were curb rashed quite a bit, and I would have had to put a lot of money into fixing them and everything else. And so I figured the best thing would be just get new wheels, sell the ones that I already had, and for the price that I'm getting these new ones for, I can actually probably sell my old ones and break even. So I actually need new tires too, which is the main thing that started this. Yeah, I had a bad alignment, so my Michelin Pilot Sports are toast, and now I'm getting some cheap freaking Ironman tires for now, but it's better than nothing. So here is my old wheels. You can see, I mean, they look decent, they clean up nice, but they do have some curb rash. They're not terrible. I just want a different look on the car. I think these just, I don't know, I've had them on for probably a year and a half now. You can see that nice uneven tread wear from that bad alignment. And of course we're showing threads, so that's fun. All right, I'm going to go pick out my wheels. All right, there we go. XT206R Flow Formed. Boom. There it is, same wheel, different color. Damien just said, those are your new wheels, and I was like, yeah, and he was like, you do you. And then I was like, what? He's like, I don't know how they're gonna look on a black car. Didn't know my car was black.
Dark gray, my bad.
It's not dark gray either.
What is it called? It's dark
It's called
gunmetal,
magnetite gray metallic. The color before that was dark gray metallic, so technically it's magnetite. Will's Corvette is black.
Subaru guys who hate Subaru guys.
But yeah, guys, I'm gonna be back in here on Saturday doing the mounting and balancing on all these, getting them on the car, and then hopefully I can go get an alignment sometime. I don't want to burn through another set of tires. All right, guys, it is the next day, and I have decided to ceramic coat the wheels. And so I'm getting my Chemical Guys Carbon Force. I'm gonna put that on the wheels. It'll sit all night tonight, all day tomorrow, and then half the day Saturday, and then we'll get the wheels put on the tires and put them on the car. know this wasn't like the best cinematic edit in the world, but the new wheels are on. As I said, they're the same wheels as before. These are just hyper silver. So they are the Cosmis Flow Formed XT206Rs, 18 by 9.5 plus 38. And then they, of course, are the hyper silver. I'm running two 55/35 Ironman tires. So pretty good setup. I like it a lot better than the black. That just pops a little bit more. I posted pictures on the Instagram and I just showed you guys the white wheels, and they just weren't for me. They get dirty so quick and they get stained. And so I think this looks a lot cleaner, in my opinion, than the white did. Just looks more, I don't know. I like it better. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you checking it out. I'll see you guys in the next one.